Today I'm going to teach you guys how to add audio using the CapCut app, how to add video from your file, from other videos, how to take sound from other video and turn it to audio and CapCut. All will be covered in this video, so just make sure you watch to the end. See you there. So today guys, I'll be teaching you how to add any audio file to your videos using the CapCut app. So let's go into it. You click on the CapCut app, click on new project, select the footage that you want. After clicking on the footage you want, you click on the audio, the music icon. Now the first you see the sounds. If you want to use any TikTok sound, let me say you are creating a TikTok video, you can use any of the sound here. You can search any of the sounds or songs you want. Then the second option, there you see something like a file. Then you can extract any audio you want. For example, I want to extract audio from my video file. I'll just click on this extract sound from video. Then let me see this video now. So you can see the audio played alone, not the video. So secondly, these are recommended sounds, like if you need sound like the laughing sound or any type of song you want. These are just recommendation. Now if you want to add it to your favorites, you like the song and want to add it to your favorite, you click on this icon near the download button. You download, then you save. If you want to check your saved audios, like favorite audios, let's go to your favorites. You can see the ones I've saved already. So if you want to import these things, just click on the add button, then the audio is imported. Second option there is the effect. Here you can see you can get all short sounds like the whistling, the taking photo, applause, click on laugh. Anyone you want, you can just add it to your favorite and import it. Simple as that. Voiceover, the last option there is the voiceover. So if you want to record your own, like you want to add a voiceover, you click on the voiceover. After recording, you can click on effect to edit the voice you recorded with all these presettings. So as simple as that. When you are done, you just cross check and save your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel and share the video. Thanks.